Let's take a look at how we can create our own map operator. Let's take a look at our test first. So in our test, I'm creating an observable using the static off operator. Then I'm applying the map operator to that observable. Map takes in a function and it applies that function to every next event. And the result of that function is going to be passed to the next observer, which in our case is the subscribe block. In our subscribe block, we are checking that we get the results that we expect to get, as you can see them here. So let's see how we can create our own map operator to do exactly the same thing. As you can see, I've already laid out the basic skeleton for an operator, which is a function that takes in a source observable and returns a new observable. And in that new observable, we subscribe to the source and we have a handler for the 3 types of events. So first of all, let's get a reference to that map function. And to do that, I'm going to wrap our operator inside of a new function that takes in that map function. And this is going to be a function that takes a parameter of type t. And in our case, we are also going to return something of type t, as we are in our map function just multiplying a number by 2. So we go from number to number. Now, we have a reference to that next function. So every time we get a next event inside of our operator, we can say observer.next. But before passing in the next event, we can call that map function with the next event to change it. And that is basically what map does. It just takes the next event, puts it through the function, and the result of that function is nexted to the next observer. Next, the map operator doesn't do anything with the error event, so we're just going to send the error event to the next handler, so the next handler can do something with it, and we are going to do the same thing for complete. So now if we replace the map operator from RxJS with our own map operator, we should see that our test still works. If we change one of the numbers, it fails. If we add it again, it works. So that is how you can create your own map operator for RxJS.